everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel Simply Food. Today we are making classic fish salad from pickled herring. You can find list of ingredients below this video. Let's get started. Take your peeled carrot and chop it into small cubes. Peeled onion cut in half and then to thin slices. Cook them together in water with vinegar. They should be crunchy, not too soft or hard. Prepare your favorite mixing bowl. Unwrap and dice pickled herrings and minced sauerkraut and carrot that are inside and place them into the mixing bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of canned sweet peas or more, depends on your taste. Add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise or Greek yogurt. Add 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Add drained cooked carrot and onion. Next, cut dill pickles into fine pieces and add them to your mixing bowl. Add pinch of salt and ground black pepper and combine everything together. If you are using Greek yogurt, you will probably need a little more salt. Transfer salad to portion-sized Tupperware or one big one with a lid. And we are done. It wasn't hard to prepare, right? Store in your fridge until next day. Serve with French baguette, French bread or Italian bread. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching our video.